Hey, you know what time it is? It is tax time. I got my girl Gwen right in the house. Hey, Gwen.
Hey, girl.
All right, so Expert Tax Services, tell us how we can find you.
So you can find us at 3604 Macon Road, Suite 15, Columbus, Georgia, right behind the Dairy Queen, or you can go online anytime at www.experttaxservices.com.
All right, now Gwen, I heard that now, because I have two daughters that have to buy cars. Mm-hmm. I heard now you can deduct if you buy a car, if you have a car loan. Is that true?
So yes, it is. It's something that was introduced in the one big beautiful bill.
Oh, something that benefits us. Okay.
Okay. Good. But it don't work like how people think it works. Now, mind you, it has to be a new car. So it cannot be new to you. It has to be a new car, never driven by anybody else. So it has to be a brand new car. The final assembly has to be done in the USA. And a lot of cars that people think are, of course, American cars, a lot of them are not final assembly in the USA. So I think it's your VIN number starts with 1, 4, and 5 is how you know whether or not it was assembled in the USA. But the IRS has something where you can look up where it was assembled on irs.gov.
Okay.
And it's the interest. A lot of people thinking you can write off how much the vehicle is. So it's actually the interest of the vehicle. And so this is a transitional year.
Okay.
Since, one big beautiful bill was signed later on in the year. So a lot of the car places, they do not have to give you any documentation in reference to you to be able to claim the deduction, which I think next year they will have to. And so in order for you to be able to write the interest off, you have to definitely take like a statement of what your interest is. And so you have to think about, like, if you bought a car in October, you might not make your first payment until November. So you only writing off 2 months of car interest. So in some cases, it's going to benefit people, but it's not like just a huge deduction.
So it could be like $100.
It literally is kind of like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, it's literally like that. And I think like people really don't understand the difference between credits and deductions. Deductions, it reduces your taxable income, which in a lot of cases, it might not even benefit you because your taxable income might be zero.
Okay. Now, we talked about this off air. A lot of people think that now the Big Beautiful Bill allows you to write off your rent. Is that true?
No. So the rent is not a write-off now. Only how you can write off your rent is if you own a business and you are using it for a business use. Okay.
Okay. So it has to be commercial. It cannot be.
Yes, it has to be commercial or the home deduction. But okay, people, the home deduction is not what y'all think. Just because you work from home or do your business from home does not mean you can write that off. It's
because I'm using it for a business.
Right, but no, it's certain restrictions to it, or not even say restrictions. There's certain guidelines to it that people really don't know, and maybe we can talk about that next week, because a lot of people got that one kind of messed up.
Yeah, because I would be like, if I work from home, then
I can write my rent, I can write off my utilities, I can write off that, and people hear that all the time. And you can write it off to a certain extent, but you have to qualify for that area in your home to be able to be a write-off. Everything's like that.
I knew it was going to be a catch. All right, Gwen, once again, tell them how they can submit their taxes if they need to.
So if you need to submit your taxes, you can do it online at www.experttaxservices with the S on the end.com.
Gwen, we'll see you next week. Expert Tax Services.
See you next week.
It's in the debut message and locked. The 98 week.